Hello all, hi. Do you know what is pronunciation about speaking English and why pronunciation is much crucial about learning English? If your answer is no, this video is for you. So please watch my full video and follow or subscribe my channel. That's how I'll be able to see my all content even I'll publish my bits in content to my channel, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English speaking channel. So don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us and me, and this is the time to begin. People are say my English is good, but people don't understand my English. Yes, here problem is on your pronunciation. So firstly you must have correct to your pronunciation, that you must have say speak in English. That is the key because pronunciation is the key of about learning English. Like pronunciation is about being processed, or pronunciation is being understood, not sounding foreign or native. Like what is pronunciation? Pronunciation has three parts like sound, word is state, sentence is stated pronunciation, record, like this is a record, verb, record. This time you must use for verb like please record the video. And same spelling, different pronunciation. Vowel sound most important. Short base long like sit. This is a short sound. Sit. Sit is a long sound. Cat. Open your mouth. Cat. And calf, relaxing sound. Calf. Car, long and deep. Practice sentences. Sit on the seat. Sit on the seat. The cart is the car. The cart is the car. The cat is the cat. I have a cup of tea. I have a cup of tea. You can use this kind of sound like native. Constant sound. B versus B. B. Lip closed. B. B. V. Teeth lip vibration. V. V. Very. V. একদম like bat. 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 Very. 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 This is a very good phone you can use. This is a very good phone. P versus F. P equal F. Pan. Pan. Pen. Pan. 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 I have a pen. I have a pen. I have a pen. The T sound will think, thank, this, that. Think, thank, this, that. I think you. Show tongue silently between teeth. I think you. I think you. Show your tongue silently between teeth. Silent letter like with example. No, K-N-O-W, no, K will deduct it. Right, W will deduct it. Right, W-R-I-T, right. Listen, T will deduct it. Listen, L-I-S-T-E-N. You must have L-I-S-E-N, listen. Knife, K will deduct it. K-N-I-F, K will deduct it. And honest, H will deduct it. Fact is like I know the answer. I know the answer. Or please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. He is an honest man. Dot honest. He is an honest man. Ace will react it. Word state with example like some syllables are strong, some are weak. This is a noun. This is a peasant. This is a peasant. Verb I will peasant today. I will present today. More example like teacher, market, began, forget. Sentence state very important for your fluency. Like I want to learn English fast. I want to learn English fast. I want to learn English fast. She works very hard. She works very hard. I need a job. Intonation, voice up and down. This is too much crucial. use for statement WH question. WH question like I'm ready, I am ready, where are you going, where are you going. Use for yes no question. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready for to go with you. Do you like coffee? Yes, I prefer coffee than tea. You can use this kind of sentences, and this kind of becomes state verb. Show hand movement up or down. Common pronunciation like is cool. This is wrong. Is cool. Is cool. It will be is cool. And student. It will be student. Very, very. Snake, think. I go to school, daily practice routine with vocabulary with example like 10 minutes daily. Vowel, eat, car, cup, eat, car, cup. Now I eat at the breakfast. Cup, car. I will go by this car. Cup. This is a piece of cup. What thing? Very is cool sentence. I think English is too very useful. Speak aloud in front of mirror. Like if you don't speak aloud, your pronunciation will never improve. Shadowing practice like play short English clip, pause and repeat exactly. I'm learning English to improve my life. I'm learning English to improve my life. Speed, state and tone with accuracy. Your accent is not your problem, your silence is your problem because mistake equal learning. So don't worry about your mistakes. Pronunciation improve with practice. Start slow, speak daily. This is the common rules to correct pronunciation. Comment which sounds is difficult for you. Subscribe for next video. Daily pronunciation practice. Bye.